Major chaos at the India Open Badminton Championship after complaints over severe pollution, subpar training facilities and even monkeys inside the stadium. The latest disruption came from bird droppings. Play was halted on Thursday, this during the men's singles pre-quarter final between India's HS Pranoy and Singapore's Loh Kian Yew at Delhi's Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium after bird droppings fell from the ceiling. The opposition has slammed the mess, calling it a global embarrassment and questioned claims of world-class sports infrastructure. Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has questioned India's Olympic ambitions when international players are being forced to compete amid chaos, pollution, even mismanagement. Meanwhile, the Badminton Association of India has denied sightings of monkeys inside the stadium despite video evidence. The BAI secretary has said that even if the reports are to be believed, no harm was done by the animal listening.
सर बहुत सारे सवाल उठ रहे हैं अरेंजमेंट्स को लेके, फॉरेन प्लेयर्स ने भी उठाए हैं, आप लोग कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
नहीं, अरेंजमेंट्स से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. अरेंजमेंट्स इन द सेंस एकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, फूड, FOP, इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. मुझे ये बंदर वाला मुझे पता चला तो एक्चुअली हम पिछले 20-25 दिन से BI की हमारी पूरी टीम, हमारा पूरा वर्कफोर्स 24 आवर्स यहाँ काम कर रहा है. हमने नहीं देखा. इवन मेरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर से बात हुई, उनने भी बोले हमने देखा ही नहीं. कैसे हुआ वो मुझे नहीं मालूम, लेकिन वो आया, इमीडिएट चला भी गया. और उसके बाद जैसे हमको ये मालूम चला कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है, तो उसके लिए हमने इमीडिएट एक्स्ट्रा गार्ड्स हमने लगा दिए. सारे डोर्स के ऊपर हमने एक्स्ट्रा 2-2 गार्ड लगा दिए कि ठीक है अब यहाँ से. तो एक ये अगर सडनली वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में होता तो एक बड़ा इशू होता है. तो टेस्ट इवेंट का मतलब ही ये है कि अगर कुछ खामियां होती हैं या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें सडनली आती हैं तो हमारे माइंड में एक रहे. अदरवाइज मंकी का हमने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा हो सकता है, बट कहीं से आया.
All right, let's quickly go across to Nivedita Singh, who's been tracking that story for us. Nivedita, the BAI, of course, is standing firm. It's digging in its heels when it comes to its own defense. But more importantly, take us through the allegations heard by the BWF and even the Danish player.
So I'll start with the Danish player. So Mia has said that the entire even she raised the similar issue last year also when she was here for the matches. So she said that the hygiene condition is not very up to the mark, and there were bird dropping in the ground, in the basically the court, badminton court, and she had raised this issue, and she said that so BIS has maintained. Badminton Association had said that she may be little sensitive, and it must be the issue faced by only her, because there are close to 300 players from across the world, and they are not raising any such issue, and they have not commented about her particularly, but they have said that they are keeping control of the situation, and even if a player is raising any issue to them, they are solving it immediately. So last time when we visited the ground on Wednesday, they said that there were complaints by players that the temperature is disturbing them, so they installed heater everywhere. And so yeah, people come from different parts of the world and they have different preferences. So yeah, the Badminton Association is trying that they should acknowledge all the issues that are faced by the players. So, and they are going, so they basically, yes.
No, so at a time, India is harboring international ambitions, that too at a global level, whether it's Commonwealth or Olympics. What is it going to mean for India when the BAI has come up with denials as far as a monkey spotting is concerned, which is very much on video?
So basically they have not denied this. They have said that this was not something that they have experienced in the past. So they were not expecting any such interference from the animal. And as far as the arrival of monkey or birds are there, the indoor stadium is surrounded by a lot of trees, and the entire stadium is in more than 100 acres of land. So yeah, there are a lot of trees, and monkeys are there almost everywhere in Delhi. So they said they have not seen monkeys entering in the indoor stadium particularly ever in the past, and even the administration has said that this had not happened before. And this is also the first time that the badminton match has been shifted to the Indira Gandhi Stadium. So far, it was held in the KD Jadhav Stadium. So this similar match was held when was held last 3 years. It was held in the KD Jadhav Stadium. And keeping in mind the scale of the World Championship that will be held in August 2026, the venue has been shifted. Both are in the same premises basically, but the indoor stadium this time is different. And what the Badminton Association is saying is that keeping in mind the World Championship and the scale of the World Championship, they have decided to move to a bigger indoor stadium compared to the KD
All right.
Jadhav, which was comparatively smaller.
Many thanks to you, Nivedita, for bringing in all those inputs. We do hope that there is adequate action being taken, because remember, this India Championship is the first litmus test for India to go global.